In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable a buy it now price on your eBay listing. Whether you're looking to simplify the purchasing process for your customers or just make a definite sale without waiting for an auction to conclude, this feature can be quite helpful as it allows buyers to instantly purchase your item at a set price without any bidding involved. Let's dive into the steps and get that buy it now option up and running on your listings. First off, open your web browser and type eBay into the search bar. Hit enter and you'll see a list of search results pop up. Click on the first result to go directly to eBay's website. Once you're there, look to the upper left corner of the page. You'll see an option to sign in to your account. Click on Sign In and enter your account credentials into the respective fields, making sure everything is correct. Once you've logged in successfully, you're ready to move on to the next step. Next, navigate to My eBay, which is usually located near the top of the page. You'll see a small arrow next to it. Click on that to open a drop-down menu. From that menu list, click on Selling. This takes you directly to your selling dashboard, where you can manage all your listings and drafts. Now look for the Drafts section. This is where all the listings you started but haven't yet finished will be stored. Click on Drafts and select the specific draft that you wish to edit and enable the Buy It Now option. After selecting your draft, click on Resume Draft to continue configuring your listing. Once in your draft, find the Pricing section. This is where you'll set the Buy It Now price. Click on Format to see the options for how you'd like to sell your item. In the Format menu, opt for Auction if you want bidding with a fixed price option. Then scroll down a bit until you see Buy It Now. Click on it to activate this feature. By setting a Buy It Now price, you're giving potential buyers an easy way to purchase your item outright without competing in an auction. Enter the price you'd like for immediate purchase, taking care to ensure it reflects the value of the item. Once you've completed these steps, double-check all the entry fields to ensure everything is correct. A quick review of your listing details can prevent future hiccups. After that, you can save or list your item, and that's it. You've successfully enabled the Buy It Now option on your eBay listing, simplifying the purchasing process for your buyers and increasing the chances of a faster sale. Thanks for watching and happy selling.